Imagine this. You're walking down the street when your phone rings. It's your recruiter. She tells you there's been a last-minute cancellation and a slot just opened up for a job interview at that company you applied to. But it's in 15 minutes. You interested? Obviously you are, but when she says, "Great, see you in 15, can you send over your resume?" You realize that you don't have your laptop with you. So now you've got two options. Either you let the opportunity slip, or you buckle up, catch a bus, and use those 10 minutes in transit to make a resume with the Kickresume mobile app. You download the app, sign in, open it, and it gives you several options to create a new resume. Option 1. You can create your resume from scratch, which really isn't as painful as it sounds. First, you'll need to fill in your information. The app clearly leads you through all the resume sections, so you don't have to worry about getting lost in the document or wondering where anything goes. You can just go section by section and type everything in manually the same way you would on a desktop, but without the desk part. You can rearrange sections as they suit you, delete old ones you don't care about, or add sections that would shine a spotlight on your certificates, achievements, and more. 10 minutes should be enough for all this, but if you don't do well under pressure, you can use our AI assistant, Kick. Our friendly neighborhood lizard will give you a string of leading questions, you dictate your answers, and the app writes everything down for you. Or you can click on Create Resume with AI. Fill in your name, job title, click Generate, and voila, you've got a resume draft. Then you can return to the Fill In section and adjust the generated text manually so it fits your real experience. So those were the first two options, but you also have a third option. If you're diligent and you've been keeping up on your LinkedIn profile, you can simply import the data into the Kickresume app and create a resume based on that. The whole process will take you just about 3 seconds. Okay, 4.5 if you got slow internet, which on a moving bus is honestly still impressive. And of course, you can still adjust the imported resume manually. You can add job descriptions if those are missing from your LinkedIn profile, or just make the whole thing sound a little bit more like you. Once you're happy with the content, you can move on to formatting, and I promise you, this part is a piece of cake. Kickresume offers 40 professionally designed resume templates that you can further tweak to your liking. You can change the font, spacing, page format, date format, colors, and all those little details that hide the fact that this resume was clearly assembled in a state of emotional distress. Then, once your resume is looking like a hot 11 out of 10, go to Improve, and you can get your resume checked for ATS compatibility. Since you've already been invited to an interview, you likely won't need this right now. But it's still good to know the options there, especially for the next time you apply to somewhere under slightly less dramatic circumstances. All you need to do now is go to Download and pick how you want to export your resume. You can either download it as a PDF to your phone and then send it through email, or send a PDF to the recruiter directly from the app, which in this particular situation feels like the best option. You can also choose to download the resume as a text document, but you need to consider the fact that the content will show as plain text, without all the design elements programmed into our templates. And done. And would you look at that? Your resume arrived to the recruiter sooner than you did.